Satin bowerbirds are a type of bird that are endemic to Australia, and they are very well known for their very elaborate courtship. So this is the male satin bowerbird. They are very nice blue shape with these very bright purple eyes. This is the female satin bowerbird, a little bit less flashy but still very interesting looking, again with those bright purple eyes. Now the female is not very involved in the courtship. As with many birds, it is almost entirely the male trying to win the attention of the female. Now, there are a couple different strategies to this mating, including a elaborate mating dance, but also mainly what they're very well known for, building the bowers, which is where they get their name. Now, these bowers, as you can see here, is an elaborate stick and grass structure surrounded by things. Now, mainly blue objects, however, sometimes there's like yellow and green, however that's more common in younger males, interestingly for some reason, and also very shiny objects, but the main thing that they're very, very well known for is blue. Now, one hypothesis states that it's blue objects because it helps the male's bright blue plumage stand out and the female be like, damn. But that's kind of a hypothesis right now. We don't know really for sure, but we do know for sure that they love to surround their bowers with as many blue objects as they can, among other colored and things. Now, more naturally and historically, this would be things like shells and rocks and feathers and flowers and stuff, but as humans have made their way into things, it's grown to accumulate things like ballpoint pens, bottle caps, any stuff like that, wrappers, a lot of trash, unfortunately, but at least these birds are making good use out of it. Now, it's important to note that these bowers are not nests. They are purely for mating purposes. The males with their bowers combined with their elaborate mating dance only function here is to attract females and get the females, choose them to mate with. Then the females themselves are responsible for building the nest. The males don't really build the nest at all. They just attract a female. If the female likes him, they will mate, and then the male basically just fucks off. Now, with many mating situations, it is highly competitive, especially among males, because the males are the ones competing for the female's attention. The females kind of have the choice here, and they tend to pick the male with the best bower and the best dance and the best plumage. So, of course, the males get very competitive, and there is a lot of drama here. Sometimes the larger and meaner and more, like, aggressive males will chase the smaller, more timid ones away and actually destroy the bowers and steal that blue stuff for themselves. To increase their own chances of mating with a female, they will destroy the competition and steal the blue things, so the females see the less strong male and be like, oh, his bower kinda sucks, and he's also a little bit of a wimp. And they won't mate with that male and will instead mate with the male with the more blue things, the fancier bower, and who's a little bit more confident. So generally, the male with the best bower and the fanciest dance will win the female.